Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video, we are going to understand how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for photography business. So here let's suppose that I have a photography business and to promote it, I'm using Facebook lead ads. So my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I want to add the lead details in my Google Sheets. So now to do this, I need to build an integration between these two applications, for which I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So now here to do this, my trigger application will be Facebook and my action application will be Google Sheets. So if you want to learn more about this, follow me through the screen. In this video, we are going to understand how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for photography business. So here let's assume that I have a photography business and to promote it, I'm using Facebook lead ads. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I want to add the lead details in my Google Sheet. So now to do this, I need to build an integration between these two applications. So this here is the homepage of Pabbly Connect. And now as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. But if you're a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button and every month you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. So this here is the all applications page by Pabbly. Here I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. So this here is my dashboard, and in order to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I need to give my workflow a name. So here I've named it as add Facebook leads to Google Sheets. And now here on my left hand side, you can see that these are the folders which I've created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as Facebook lead ads. And now here I'm going to click on create. So as I did that, now I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. Basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation and integration will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So action is an automated response of your trigger application, and in a workflow, you can only have one trigger but multiple action applications. So now moving to my use case, that is to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets. So here in my trigger window, I'm going to use Facebook lead ads as my trigger application. And the trigger event will be new lead instant. So the moment I'm going to receive a new lead, then it is automatically going to get captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So now moving to my action window, as I want to add the Facebook ad lead details in a Google Sheet. So here Google Sheet will be my action application. And now the action event will be to add new row, because in a new row, I'm going to add the lead details. So here as I've selected my action application and the action event along with my trigger application and the trigger event. So my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then automatically the lead details should be added in Google Sheets. So now to do this, I need to establish a connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. And now to add a new connection, I will simply click on connect with Facebook lead ads as I've already logged into my Facebook account. And here you can see that the authorization was successful. So Pabbly Connect and Facebook lead ads is successfully connected. So now moving to the page and the lead gen form. Here I need to select the page that I've created for my photography business and the lead gen form which is associated with my Facebook page. So this here is my Facebook page by the name of Broadcast Photo Studio. So here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to search for my page as Broadcast Photo Studio and I'm going to select it. So after selecting the page, I need to select the lead gen form associated with my Facebook page. So here in Meta Business Suite, these are the lead ads form that I've created. So I want to use this lead ad form that is by the name of Broadcast Studio Contact Form. And this is how the form looks like. So here in Pabbly Connect from the drop down, I'm going to select this as my lead gen form. So after selecting my page and the lead gen form associated with it, here I'm going to simply click on save and send test request. So here you can see that it is waiting for a webhook response. That means now I need to do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So now to do a test submission, I'm going to take you to a new tab and here I'm going to search for Meta for developers. I will go to the page. And here in Meta for developers, I will go to my apps. And in my apps, I will go to tools. And under developer tools, I will go to this lead ads RTO debug tool. So this here is the lead ads testing tool which is going to test our integration. So this here is the lead ads testing tool and this tool is going to test our integration. So now here moving to the page part. So scrolling down, I'm searching for my page that was by the name of Broadcast Photo Studio. Here is my page. After selecting the page, I'm going to select the form. And now once I've selected the page and form, I'm going to click on preview form. So this here is the lead ad form and I've filled in the details of full name, email and the phone number. So now here I'm going to click on next. Now here I'm going to click on submit. So here you can see that it says thanks, you are all set. Your test lead has been sent. That means the test lead which I've just created would have been captured in Pabbly Connect. So taking you to Pabbly Connect and here you can see that I have received a response and this here is the details of the response. So here's the full name, here is the email, phone number, created date and time along with some other details. That means the test lead which I've just created is successfully captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So the first objective of this automation is setup. That means now whenever a new lead will be received through Facebook lead ads, then automatically it will get captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. So as I've got the lead details, now I want to add the lead details in a Google Sheet. So in order to do that, here I need to establish a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. And now to add a new connection, I will simply sign in with my Google account. Here I'm going to click on allow as this is a secure access and you can see the authorization was successful. Pabbly Connect and Google Sheets is successfully connected. So now moving to the select spreadsheet and the select sheet part. So here this is the Google Sheet which I've created by the name of Facebook Leads New. It consists of 3 columns. One is of lead email, lead name, phone number and it consists only of one sheet. So in this Google Sheet I want to add the Facebook Leads details. So here in Pabbly Connect from this drop down I'm going to select my spreadsheet. And the sheet is automatically selected. So now moving to the details of lead email, lead name and the phone number. So here to mention these details, I'm going to use a method that is called as mapping. So basically mapping means to insert the data from previous step. So here I'm going to map it from the response that I've received from Facebook lead ads. So here I've mapped the email, now I'm going to map the lead name and now I'm going to map the phone number. So here's the phone number and I've mapped it. So as I've mapped the details, this method of mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, so that response can be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case, it could have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received a new response. So to avoid that problem, we map the information. So now here simply I'm going to click on save and send test request. So here you can see that I've received a response and this here is a positive one. That means the Facebook lead details would have been added in my Google Sheet. So now I'm going to take you to my Google Sheet. And here in this Google Sheet, you can see that the details of the Facebook lead is successfully added in a new row. Here's the lead email, lead name and the phone number. So that means the Facebook lead which I've just created. So the details of that Facebook lead is successfully added in my Google Sheets in a new row. So this integration and automation is a successful one. That means now whenever a new lead will be received through Facebook lead ads, then automatically the details of that lead will be added in my Google Sheets in a new row. Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.